First things first, we gotta upload our design. So click on browse and go to wherever you've saved your design. Here's my design. I'm gonna upload it as an SVG and get it into my canvas. So let that load. The first thing I'm gonna do is resize it to where I want it, the size that I want it. And then I'm gonna change this cut here to draw. And my pins are a 0.4, so you want to go up here too, and there it's kind of unnecessary for you to change the color, but I'm just doing it for effect. So I'm going to change this to 11.5 because that's as wide as my machine will allow. And the next step is to click Make It. Now, because we are using infusible ink markers, you want to make sure to mirror this. Make sure you have your materials loaded to your mat, ready to go on your mat, and choose the machine that you're going to use. We're going to use copy paper as a setting. Then come over here to your machine. Load the paper, and I actually don't have a red marker.